So hello guys, I am Rahul Ghosh and I am today here out with my another video, and in this video we will talk about the difference between Newton or kgf and kg. First let us talk about these two things. These two things means or kg or gram we can say. These two things we will talk about. This is the unit of weight and this is the unit of mass. Don't confuse between these two things. And gram force is also there. Don't confuse between these two things. These are totally different things. And let us now come to the weight. What is weight? Weight is the gravitational force acting on a body. Means weight is a force. It is a force, a gravitational force. It is a type of force, weight. And so let us come back to force. What is force actually? Force is the product between mass and acceleration. If you are not sure about these two things, I will explain it in my first video. You can check it out. So force is the product of mass and acceleration. And hence let us first talk about mass. And mass has no definition, but you have to understand it is I should say that it is the amount of element in an object, amount of element or matter in an object. As it is a fundamental unit like length, time, temperature, it has no definition. It has no definition, but you have to understand it. What is mass? Mass is represented in kg, and this remain constant at all places. In weight, weight is a gravitational force, hence it changes in other places like moon. If you go to moon, your weight will become 1/6 of your real weight, but mass will never change. Mass will remain constant at moon also. And so let us move to acceleration. What is acceleration? Acceleration means acceleration due to gravity. The acceleration means rate of change of velocity. Then let us come to the point, the difference between Newton and kg. Newton is the SI unit of weight. I hope everybody knows this. The SI unit of weight is Newton, and the SI unit of mass is kg. And you can't relate these two things. Yes, 1 kgf is equal to 10 Newton, but 1 kg is equal to 10 Newton. This is wrong. Or 1 kg is equal to 1 kgf. This is wrong. These are both totally different units. This is of mass and this is of weight. That is why it can't be compared. I hope you have understood this part. And so the conclusion comes that Newton or kgf is not what we think. In our common life, we think that weight is actually the mass. In common life, we use weight as mass, but it's absolutely weight is the force. You have to understand that it is a force, and it is mass, a defined fundamental unit. You have to understand this. Force, gravitational force. Weight is a gravitational force, and mass is totally different from force. And so we have come to this end of this video, and I hope you guys have understood what is the difference between Newton and kg, and hope this will help you in the future. And so this is for today, guys, and this was all about Newton or kgf and kg or gram. So bye guys, and I will be here with another video. And please comment what you want to and what you have doubt, and if you have not understood my video and what is my point I can't explain, please write in the comments. I am very eager to know about it.